In today's video, we'll be making these LED light panels. Let's see how. For this project, I have chosen this LED strip light. Here I have selected LED strips of white and warm white colors. These LED strips consist of modules and each module consists of 3 LEDs. So today what we are going to do is we are going to cut this LED strip into pieces of 4 modules each. To stick the LED strips, I'll be using this wooden panel made from two 1.5 inch wood rippers. You can also use metal plates to act as the panel. Now let's take the LED strips onto the panel. I'll be sticking 2 white LED strips followed by 1 warm white, followed by 2 white, and last 1 warm white. I'll be sticking the LED strips such that the LEDs come in alternative way, not in a straight line. This is complete. In the same way, I have also prepared one more panel. As you can see, I have covered all the negative terminals on one side of this panel with some insulation tape. Now I'll solder all the positive terminals on this side. Similarly, on the other side, I'll be covering all the positive terminals and soldering all the negative terminals together. This will give me 2 common terminals to connect to the whole panel. Repeat the procedure for the other panel as well. I'll pass these 2 thin wires through the hole made on this panel and solder these 2 wires to the 2 ends of the panel. I stuck the wire to the panel using some insulation tape. I will also add some glue to give some extra support. Coming to the stand of the lights, I have built this base using a 1.5 inch piece and I have attached a vertical 1/2 inch piece to it. You can use a 1 inch clamp to stick the vertical piece to the base, but I used some wood piece and some glue to do the same. And for the top, I used another wood ripper which will be attached to this base using a bolt. So this will be able to move after attaching so that I can adjust the height and the angle of the light. I added this rubber washer between the 2 wooden rippers so that this will add some friction in holding the frame stiff. Now I'll fit the bolt to it. I'll be using a 1 inch L clamp to fit the panel to this frame. I'll fit the other end of this L clamp to the back of the panel using 2 3/4 inch screws. Now it's finished. Let's secure the wire to the frame using some insulation tape. I have completed the second frame too. As you can see, it cannot stand by itself. It needs some weight at the base to hold it, as the panel is big and heavy. To power the lights, I'll be using this 12 volts 2 amps adapter. I'll cut the end of this wire and connect the 2 lights in parallel to it. I insulated all the joints with some insulation tape to avoid any short circuit. Now let's connect the adapter to the mains and test it. It's working. As you can see, it's really bright and looks really beautiful. And for the complete setup, As you can see, the quality of video looks really good under these lights. Just to know the difference, let's compare these videos. This is without any light, and this is the light from my mobile flash from which I'm shooting the video, and this is in the light which we made just now. As you can see, the third one definitely looks really good when compared to the first two. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.